If you're thinking about selling your business, there is really one big thing that most small business owners don't think about until it's a bit too late. And this ends up hurting the entire sale process. It reduces the purchase price. It probably even turns away at least 50% of the most likely and qualified buyers. And if you're not quite sure what it is, here is what goes wrong in most M&A processes. The number one thing that can derail a sale of your business is poor or inaccurate or erratic financial information. And that's everything from your monthly or quarterly books and records in QuickBooks or your accounting system, up to your records or lack thereof of your customers and your revenue and how much they pay you over time. Of course, your expenses are a big part of tracking your P&L and ultimately arriving at a profit number that the buyer can confidently use to gauge what they're willing to pay for the business, and also what the cash flows are of the business, which in many cases are very similar to the profit on the P&L. So the most important thing you can do is to engage a good bookkeeper or an accounting firm to do your books every week, every month, or at least every quarter, and make sure that they're accurate. Because again, the last thing that you want to do is get through a sales process, hire a broker or do it on your own, talk to 5 or 10 different buyers only to have 5 or 10 of those buyers walk away because they can't comprehend how your business works financially because you have poor bookkeeping records. It's almost impossible to sell a business based on just sending your bank statements or having the business buyer walk the property and take a look at everything you have going on. They absolutely need financials to get financing, to be confident in the valuation, and most importantly, to be confident they can buy the business and they're not buying a liability, that they're buying an asset that will pay them for years to come. So if you have any doubts, or if you have poor or inaccurate or lagging, outdated bookkeeping and financial information, hire a bookkeeper, hire a CPA, get your financials cleaned up for the last 3 years, get your tax returns filed, and that'll make your sale process a heck of a lot easier.